In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect and sync Notion to Jira. This integration is really helpful if you manage tasks or projects across both tools and want everything to stay aligned without copying information back and forth manually. Let's start inside Notion. Look at the bottom left corner of your Notion window. You'll see the settings area there, usually labeled with your workspace name, and a small settings icon. Go ahead and click on that to open the workspace settings panel. This is where you manage things like members, plans, and, in our case, integrations. Once the settings panel is open, look for the section called Connections. This is Notion's dedicated area for integrating with other apps and services. Click on Connections to open that page. Here, you'll see any existing connections you already have, plus options to add new ones. On the Connections page, find and click on Browse Connections in Gallery. This will take you to Notion's integration gallery, which is basically a marketplace of apps that can connect with your workspace. Using the gallery is the easiest and safest way to add official and supported integrations. When the gallery opens, you'll see a search bar at the top. Click into the search bar and type Jira. Be sure to spell it correctly so it comes up right away. This will filter the list of integrations and show you all Jira-related options that work with Notion. From the search results, look for the option called Notion AI Connector for Jira. This is the specific integration we want to use to connect Notion and Jira so they can share and sync information. Once you've located it, click on Notion AI Connector for Jira to open its details page. Here you can quickly review what the connector does, what data it needs access to, and how it will interact with your workspace. On the connectors page, you'll see a button labeled Add to Notion. Click on Add to Notion to start the connection process. At this point, Notion may ask you to confirm which workspace or pages you want to grant access to, and Jira may ask you to sign in and authorize the connection. Just follow the on-screen prompts, making sure you only grant access to the projects and pages you actually need. Once that's done, your Notion workspace will be connected to Jira through the Notion AI connector, and you'll be ready to start syncing tasks, issues, and project information between the two tools.